What it is, I'm not telling you, but it is not whey protein.
There's nothing exciting happening in our lives. Full night, he didn't sleep. Walking in a tufan.
Mysterious robberies are happening.
Wasted 4,000 rupees. Trying to be aesthetic.
Now we're all obsessing about Impulse. I don't think I've mentioned this on my YouTube yet, but I think here and there you've seen me work very hard to be able to launch a protein coffee. Now this is something we've been working on since last November. We've gone through so many samples, so many iterations of it and a lot of consumer study and research. और जितने customers से हमने बात की है उसके बाद हमको समझा है कि लोगों को सिर्फ protein coffee नहीं चाहिए. There's a lot in protein powders that other brands are not doing and consumers still want. There's a gap that we can fill. So we are working on that. What that gap is exactly, of course, I cannot tell you because it's my research and I've worked very hard to talk. You all have been seeing in the last few vlogs ना कि हर vlog में मैं लोगों से बात करती हूँ. At the end, like 6 to 7:30, I have calls with consumers and then हम लोगों से पूछते हैं को कौन सा ब्रांड पसंद है या नहीं पसंद है, क्यों नहीं पसंद है, आपने शुरू किया प्रोटीन लेना एंड क्यों बंद किया. So what is it that you've not gotten on the market till now? Of course, taste तो सबका ही criteria है कि taste तो अच्छा करना ही चाहिए. That is one factor. But ingredients are also another factor. Clean label, of course, and also ensuring that there is more in your protein powder. What that is, I'm not going to tell you, but we have a lot of exciting samples. Now, I have literally been sampling since last November. I have not shown you all anything till now. This samples that you all are seeing, we are getting closer to the process of locking it. So you are seeing एकदम like now वाला सामान. बाकी पुराना वाला सामान तो बहुत मतलब हमने उल्टियाँ की है इतने गंदे प्रोटीन पी के. And it's been so bad, like so like that. And I don't know how these brands are selling it because these are actually off the label. Like when you go to a manufacturer, you can be like, वो बोलेगा कि मैं ये brand के लिए बनाता हूँ. तो I'll be like, sample भेजो. I'll be like, how is this brand selling this? It's so bad. So those have been like the reactions all this while. But we've done lot of iterations, and now come down to these samples, which I already tried the other day. Like this is coffee. This is not with Impulse coffee, but this is coffee. This is dark chocolate. That's milk chocolate. And this is mango. Very exciting flavors also. I of course won't launch 4 at once because पहले time हम protein करे बहुत महंगा product भी होता है because protein is not cheap, especially if you want to do it right. This is not whey protein, it's lactose free because of course a lot of people are lactose intolerant. So this is what it is, I'm not telling you, but it is not whey protein.
This is mocha.
That's mocha, yeah, mocha, and this is double chocolate, yeah.
With chocolate.
Last time I remember I loved the double chocolate, so let's start with that. Flavor is good, but there is a chalkiness. बहुत chalky है ना?
सीधा first taste पे chalkiness.
First taste में ये सब मुंह कवर हो जाए कुछ chalkiness से, बहुत ज़्यादा chalkiness, वो yumminess नहीं आ रहा. Chocolate is balanced यार. Chocolate का flavor अच्छा है, आपको flavor बदलने की जरूरत नहीं है. थोड़ा मीठा भी ज़्यादा लग रहा है. मीठा ज़्यादा लग रहा है. Moderately low discount sensitivity for whip. मतलब डिस्काउंट देने के बावजूद भी वो इतना नहीं बिक रहा है. लो
नहीं, इसलिए कि हमें उसमें इतना डिस्काउंट देने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो अपने आप पिकअप होता है.
लो डिस्काउंट सेंसिटिविटी फॉर विप मतलब वो अपने आप पिकअप
होता है. हाँ, हाई डिस्काउंट सेंसिटिव मतलब डिस्काउंट होता है तभी ये आइटम पिकअप होता है.
आई थिंक दिस इज हाउ इवन आई प्लान्ड इट. ठीक है, मेरे को एक्चुअली पैक ऑफ 30 के लिए कॉल करना होता, वो मेरा थोड़ा अर्जेंट है. व्हाट्स द टाइमलाइन ऑन दैट लाइक? I'm done with office and I've come to the physiotherapist. My driver uncle has taken the गाड़ी में सारे bags वगैरह, तो bags मैंने छोड़ दिए गाड़ी में and मैं physio के पास आई हूँ. My hip is paining a lot. It's probably because I've been lifting heavy in the gym, उसकी वजह से ही हो रहा होगा. So I lifted very heavy on Sunday and now my hip is a little tight. I don't take any like दर्द को बढ़ने ही नहीं देती हूँ. जैसे ही मुझे थोड़ा भी पेन होता है I come to the physio because मुझे ज़्यादा पेन जमा नहीं करना बॉडी में. So here I am to fix myself up. बारिश भी हो रही है, मुझे थोड़ा बारिश जमता है भीगने. I did a good thing by going to the physiotherapist because it was prophylactic. मेरे groin में pull था because of sumo squat. और जब sumo squat किया ही था ना last time gym में, तब मुझे feel हुआ कि I pulled a muscle and I was not having like problem in like movement and sitting and stuff. But if I would have hit the gym today, I would have probably had a problem because I do full body workouts. I very rarely do just leg day or just upper body day because जो लोग कम gym जाते हैं, it's good that you move your full body on all those days. I just go 2 to 3 times a week. I don't have the luxury to go every single day. So then I try to do full body whenever I go to the gym. But अच्छा हुआ मैं physio के पास गई. He released my physiotherapist is amazing and he just like he's super active and like पूरा ही muscle release हो गया. बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, अब मुझे icing करना होगा. Cupping वगैरह सब किया उसने. अभी मेरे को थोड़ा soreness है therapy से. So tomorrow also I will not do lower body, I'll just do upper body. But good thing I went to the physio. So that was a good thing that I did. By the way, फज गया था डॉक्टर के पास with Reet and unfortunately उसको हमने actually we give him पाया का हड्डी, जो हम पाया खाते ना, he loves bone and he barks for it and he wants it and because of giving bone उसको वो splinters stomach में जमा हो गए. तो वो stomach में splinters जमा है इसलिए उसने उल्टी करके like पूरे बेडरूम में उसने उल्टी किया था कल रात को. The doctor has given him medicine, वो पूरा drain किया है उसकी stomach से and now he's on probiotics etc. So that's what is happening to Fudge. I had put this pimple patch. Let's remove it. मस्त satisfaction मिलेगा. हाय हाय निकला नहीं है पिंपल अब तक. मैं वैसे लगाती नहीं हूँ पिंपल पैच बट ठीक है, अभी रात को लाइक स्किन केयर करके निकाल दूंगी. ये वाला एक्टिव पिंपल नहीं था बट गुड ओनली आई पुट इट. ब्लैक हेड निकला है. हा हा कैन यू सी दैट ब्लैक हेड जो निकला है. Love it. It's so satisfying when this happens. Malzu is back. Mala, come give some energy to my vlog. I'm so dead after work. I have nothing to offer in terms of energy, so my brother will make up for it. How was your stay in Mud Island? Did your passport come?
No.
You went for the passport or you went to get new clothes?
Both. But before, this is the new tripod location. Or you always film from
I
there?
always film from here.
No, so basically before it's at Mud police station. Now it's on a Malvani police station.
It always goes to Malvani. Mud police station is too small for them.
No, but I had put Mud police and at first it said the police is coming in 4 days. So they didn't come. And then even mummy was like, yeah, nobody came. But she spoke to everyone, like the people who stay. And they all know that I'm a resident of Mud Island. So
मेरा तो passport verification was a traumatic experience because I gave उधर का address and छोटू was like दीदी यहाँ नहीं रहता. दीदी का घर उधर है.
Yeah.
And then the police was like, why would you put this address
Yeah.
if you live here? But all my documents have my mummy's address because that's also a bought house. This is also a bought house. I'm like, they are my parents. I can put their address. But they were like, no, where you stay, udhar ka hi address you put. Then I had to do the whole
Yeah.
thing again to put this.
And then sometimes
address.
they don't even call you anything. That like when my friend Aditi did it, they just like came in front of a house and they were sitting in the car and they saw her walking and honked at her and they were like Aditi Somani. And so I was like, today every police I saw, I was like, you want me? Like, are you looking for me? And then I was like asking mummy about the dogs and she was like talking about cats because apparently I put a rat trap and it caught 2 mouse. It caught 2 mouse, so that was good. She was like, I was smelling something. And I was like, interesting. But the lady who cleaned, she didn't take it out only.
Mummy, that
had to-
lady is so hopeless.
Yeah, because she sweeps in all the corners, so she should see like what's going on, but she didn't. And then, but at least it caught 2 rats, so that was good. But then mummy was talking about how we had a cat before, and apparently the cat sat on my dad's handkerchief before he went to work. And then he took that handkerchief, so he didn't know that the cat sat on it, and he took it to work, and then he wiped his face with it, and then mummy said after that I gave the cat away. I was like, just because of that, you gave the cat. And after that she's like, I hate these cats, like dirty cats. And she's so funny. She was like, calling the cat pussy, and then she was also calling like her hens, like the male cock, and she was like, yeah, the big cock makes a big noise and the small cock makes a small noise. And I was just sitting there, I was like, like good stuff. And then yeah, because now she has 1 big cock.
Yes, I want to know all about our grandmothers.
But because our hen is small, he doesn't like that so much. So he's been going to the neighbor's house because there's a big hen over there. And he's been like running away. So she's scared that he'll just not come back. So she's like, yeah, I'm going to sell him. Just like get rid of him. But I don't know what's her plan. After she's coming back from Bangalore, she plans on getting more chickens.
When is she
her
going to
egg
Bangalore?
business. 28th with your mom, and they're back
I
on the 6th.
have no idea what my family plans are. This is like
Yeah.
news reporter. He's free. He goes to Mud Island, he gets me Nani's news, and then he knows what my mother is up to through my Nani, and that's how
Because they
I'm
talk
getting
like
her.
every day.
Every
and
day,
then
yeah.
I
should
also
talk-
had to call her because medicines, like mummy's medicines, I had to sort out.
I text my mother, but mostly it's like खाने में क्या बना है,
Yeah.
mummy, my food.
And then mummy sent coconut water and coconut malai. So I forgot to send it to Sylvia auntie's house also. I mean, they told me to stop there and and then come here. But it's too much work with the rickshaw to do all of that. So Satyam can just send it. But yeah, he'll go tomorrow. And the coconut water is yummy. It's from our tree. And apparently even jackfruit.
You broke it?
No. Coconut fellow did it. And then apparently even we had a jackfruit because Anwar uncle also went the other day. He was supposed to bring it, but then he went out somewhere and mummy left it in the bag only, so the whole thing got spoiled. Yeah.
She would have been so sad.
No, she was. She was like, I mean, she kept half. I think she ate or something. She distributes, and then half was in that bag. And then she was like, I
shit.
forgot. And then I looked up in the next day, and then it was all gone. So,
Nana hates when her fruits and vegetables get
but
spoiled.
we have one more jackfruit, but it's too high. So the coconut fellow will come in 1 week and take it down, and hopefully.
This
that
is
will
my
be good.
nanny's Mud Island house stories, guys. Okay, we don't get to see it, so we are listening through the messenger.
Yes. And
We will
I
go.
keep being like,
When should we go to Mud Island? This weekend, let's go.
for my dad's birthday, she was going to call you
Oh
guys.
my god, is it this weekend?
Yeah, Sunday,
When is he coming?
Saturday.
Fun for you.
And she said we're going to play housey.
Oh my
Um,
god, yes, let's
she has
go.
big plans.
There's nothing exciting happening in our
Yeah.
lives, so might as well, yes.
Hi guys, look, I got these flowers from my boyfriend.
My boyfriend got them for me.
Your boyfriend got you this rat.
I got him this rat. Ulta, you're saying
So,
everything.
it's
Let
just
me
a-
show you what the physio did. It's all cupping therapy that he's done because my IT band and my QL both are tight, so released it. My quads have become so good after going to the gym. Can you see this muscle? Like, it's so nice and toned. I used to never have this cut before. You can see on this leg. See, can you see that muscle? It's pure
You didn't
muscle.
do it on this leg.
He didn't do this leg. I didn't have her tight. This is pure muscle. This is fat, but this is muscle. Yeah, I'm so happy. These shorts used to be tight for me, and now look, they're loose.
Loose.
This is mummy's food that ma made. It has sent some rice and paneer sabzi, fish egg, chicken.
Where do you like fish egg?
I love fish egg. You don't like it? You don't like it? She told to share this. Share it with
I'll
whom?
try it, but only a taste is enough for me. Today Reet was making me cut his t-shirts
Why?
because he wants them sleeveless.
Look at this boy. I said, where are you? And Rita said, what you said just now?
Anda wala.
Anda wala came. Oh, Janu. You're the cutest.
You're eating only. I was thinking I'll take all of you out today, like to feel a little better.
Where
I'll
you'll
all
take
of-
us?
Kofuku.
But I'm eating food at home.
Like,
Tomorrow.
You can. I mean, we can do it today only. Just eat a
No,
little.
no. Tomorrow. There's so much food. Mummy will shout.
Blow the candles. Chalo, yes. Oh, this is our favorite cake, by the way.
Yes.
You have not tried this, no?
Ah,
This is the famous San Sebastian cheesecake from Delhi.
kaya.
You eat, no?
No, you.
First you eat. Arey, this is for you.
I know, but you
So you eat first. Yes, you should be eating this first.
so good. He studied fashion design in Parsons, New York and Paris to cut Reed's t-shirts at home. Reed is saying his cutting is very good. And I'm like, bitch, studied it.
You know, John Uncle is going to bring his sewing machine as well. So the amount of alterations he's going to do for my outfits.
Oh my god.
I am-
That's why you've come back to India.
Azhar is now available in the house.
I am so excited. Like you go and you do yours from Azhar. Mali will do.
No, now Sharon will give you only. Sharon has to
What
chase
Sharon
Azhar.
does?
Sharon doesn't do anything.
I thought she also stitches
She
your
knows
clothes.
how to. She knows how to.
No, I thought you give her to stitch.
No, she gives Azhar.
Acha.
But now she'll give you what's the sewing machine.
See how nicely this has come out.
Sure, it's too long though.
Yeah.
So you need a double.
We have
No,
to,
but then it looks too raw on all the sides.
yeah. But this is good. I like
But
it.
yeah, we can crop it. How much you want to show your waist?
This much.
No, put it higher to your belly button. Crop top.
Who is this Babla? Full night Baba has not slept and vomited.
Yeah, Mama needs to learn a lesson to listen to me and not give him bones. Mother daughter same. अरे दे दो क्या होगा सुनना उनना है नहीं.
हमने उसको 8 साल बड़ा किया, तुम बाद में.
हाँ तो फिर हाँ प्लीज मेरा अगर सुन लिया होता आज बेचारा इतना रोया है हॉस्पिटल में
Cried,
क्लिनिक
Ma.
में इतना
You
रोया है
cried.
बेचारा बच्चा.
I know, give you bone now. Okay, no asking for bone. उसको bone अभी भी बोलते तो देखो आंखें बड़ी हो रही है. Bone.
Give him bigger bones. Don't give him the smaller
No,
ones.
the bigger one small pieces is fine because those he's chewing. The big one, no, he just swallowed it, Janu. He was so एक तो इतना फोमो में फज खाता है ना कि हम ले लेंगे.
You guys need to. Is not a baby anymore, Baba. Some
Not
things
a
you
baby.
have to take care
You're
of.
my baby, no. You're not a
Some things-
baby.
Some things you have to take care of. Huh? Some boundaries need to be drawn.
Boundaries. Dada saying boundaries, Fudgy. Full night he didn't sleep. He kept barking.
Ice cream should be once in a month treat for him.
Ice cream also no. When I tell you no for ice cream, you
Okay,
should
done.
listen.
Okay, done. Yeah, I don't give him.
Please,
give him-
that day who gave so much ice cream in
You
where we
only
went?
asked me to bring a full scoop of vanilla for him. You did. I didn't. So easily passing the blame on me.
You!
Look at Manny doing Kalesh.
My name is Reed. You told me to give him one scoop of vanilla ice cream.
I don't like this.
Get out! Get out! Don't! Oh, he's hitting me, guys! Violence! Fudgy violence! Dada.
Here today.
Yeah, he slept in the bed only last night. Yeah. No?
Oh, Fudgy.
Shippy make in the bed.
No, this one is better actually. With the bows.
Oh, you look so pooky coded.
Wait, you should go out tomorrow with that. You said you want to dress up.
Yeah.
Come on, break
What
the
is-
gender norms.
what-
You have
what
to
is
now
the
break gender norms.
What is the definition of dress up in New York? Or what is the definition of dress up that
We
they
are not in
teach
New
you in
York.
Parsons?
We are not
Please
in
tell
New York.
me.
We are in Mumbai.
तू स्माइली जानू मेरा हिप दुख रहा है वो मारे निकालो ये लड़के को निकालो मेरे बिस्तर उठ तू आज जा तेरे को बिस्तर लाके दी ना चल निकल
Bye guys, I am going to my bedroom.
yes get out our dedication to fitness is like walking in a tufan with barish
It's so nice.
I'm just supporting them because
It's
walking
look at
is
my
not,
t-shirt. It
walking
says
is never on my list.
ooh.
I'm setting my hair for shoot. Today I'm taking it a little easy. I've decided to just be at home and shoot content full day, just not for Impulse, just for SS. And yeah, get some good quality content in for Instagram. YouTube पे तो we put vlogs only because vlog ही perform करता है YouTube पे. Anything else you try to put आप लोग को interest ही नहीं है देखने में. तो vlogs Nykaa sale recommendations I know you all wanted तो वो भी मैंने vlog में ही integrate कर दिया था because इतना कुछ चल रहा है दुनिया में और मैं sale recommendation दूँ didn't feel right to me. So I'm just going on with my life and sharing that with you all. Guys, I'm gonna break this plate for a video. To get your attention on Instagram. That's how we get
Momo, this
attention.
is
मेरी
your-
माँ अगर ये देखती तो मुझे घर से निकाल.
Don't go for this is your.
This is my shirt.
हाँ बस. This
Okay.
is it.
Lighting is fine.
Yeah, better than the previous one.
एक ही बार टूटेगा ना
हाँ वो
बर्तन.
कहाँ तो हाँ ठीक है ना this is.
So now I don't have to do anything. I have to do. I don't have to say anything. Okay. Ready for it? Ready ना? इधर गिरेगा. दिखेगा ना?
हाँ इतना स्पेस है दिखने के.
हाँ. This was natural only, bro. मेरी टाइल टूटी क्या जहाँ गिरा यार मेरी टाइल भी टूटी जहाँ गिरा. Guys, जहाँ पे प्लेट गिरी मेरी टाइल में भी क्रैक आ गया. Gosh, my mother cannot see this vlog. I give these video ideas and then I question it when I'm shooting it. Yes, I'm very proud to show my stretch marks every chance I get actually. In this week, I have realized that I've lost 3 things. My house needs some major TLC and decluttering. I've lost the Swarovski pendant that Reet had given me. I have no idea, you guys. मैंने literally मैं रोज पहनती हूँ 4 महीने से जब से रीत had gifted me every single day I wore it. उन्होंने किसी की नजर लगी है कि I've just been careless with it. I wore it on Friday to office. I left from office at 9 o'clock in the night. तो रात को मुझे चुभ रहा था तो मैंने निकाल के मेरे बैग में डाली थी. It was in my bag and now it is not in my bag. Like I have no idea. Friday and Saturday, Sunday, Monday when I was going to office, I was trying to search for it. I did not find it. So I lost that. Now we can't find this pink cardigan. And then what else is lost this week? The Vivo V60 phone. Oh my god, that phone. God, you guys, मेरे को कोलैब के लिए आया था. I am telling you, हर एक इंसान जो मेरे घर में घुसा है इस गवाह कि वो फोन ड्रॉवर में पड़ा था. Everyone, even Tamanna, I was planning to actually give it to Tamanna. if she wants it for her work. And she was like, yeah, I'll take it someday when I come to the house. And she also knows कि मेरे drawer में, तो मैं कल उसको पूछी, बेब मैंने तेरे को दे दी क्या phone? And she was like, नहीं तेरे drawer में पड़ा है. It's like, नहीं ये drawer में, literally it was in the drawer, and now that the brand wants the phone back, we're not able to find it anywhere and they are not able to track it also. It's like mysterious robberies are happening in the Sarah Squad home. And
More expensive one this.
expensive things. I think that Swarovski pendant also somebody must have thought it's real diamond and flicked it from my bag. The main thing is कि वो रीत ने मुझे दिया था, वो मेरा anniversary present. रीत is like, it's okay, मैं नया दिला दूंगा. And I'm like, नहीं, वो दिया था तुमने मुझे.
Yeah.
This is why I don't share too much of what I get online.
And मुझ पे तो ऐसे ही
लोगों की बहुत नजर थी वो पेंडेंट पे, हर वीडियो पे दे लाइक कहाँ से लिया, कहाँ से लिया, कहाँ से.
Starting में we didn't tell no.
I did that jewelry video ना recently. मुझे लगा ही वो jewelry video के बाद एक jewelry पे नजर लग के वो जाने वाली है. Mally was like, I thought it's real diamonds. I was like, bro, then I would be like barbad because those are like 2 solitaires.
Exactly. Then
I would be barbad. That would be like crores of rupees that are happening in the Sarah Squad. You guys, I was filming a video and this stupid product has fallen. Like मैं उठाने गई and मैं cap से उठाई and it fell all over. It's a day of dropping things. Sometimes after I do makeup, I look like Voldemort. I tried to match 2 skin tints. I wasted 4,000 rupees right off the bat in buying this. अब मैं किसको दूँ ये milk का? Who is this color? Please tell me which one of you is this color and wants this. Giveaway में ही डालना पड़ेगा. It's not gonna suit Sharon. It's not gonna. Will it suit you? See? Put it on your cheek and see. It's supposed to be a very good formula. Every single influencers, and I never get my shade match wrong online. कितना dark shade लिया है मैंने तो भी, है ना? I think it'll suit the punchy. Enjoy. Please tell us how you feel. Review देना product का. I bought it during the Nykaa sale because I wanted to review it because I thought it's a dupe of this Kiro tint. And I think formula wise they can be dupes. This is the Milk Makeup side and this is the Kiro side. But दोनों का shade इतना off है for me that I will not be using them. This is shade number 8 which is dark for me, and this is shade number 42C medium. Yeah, so these are just not it, unfortunately. So not for darker complexion clearly. Yeah, I am like not even that dark in Indian complexion I think, and that still I can't find a shade. Oh, my jeans, everything is now because foundation. I need to clean a lot. Wait, my chair, my jeans, my floor, har jagah foundation. I feel more like myself because Sharon is here. That's not even funny. Anyways, let's clean this up. Satyam, look what happened. Satyam be like not surprised at all. I don't want to reshoot this. Apparently all creators have shot this multiple times. मैं नहीं करने वाली. मैं एक ही बार shoot करूँगी. Guys, Reet is making me start creatine.
Reet is making me start.
Yeah, my nutritionist has also said. Like, we have dressed up all nice because Jakharia is taking us out for dinner.
We're going to Nobu.
Nobu of Bombay.
Yeah.
Nobu of Bombay.
Andheri West. It used to be called Kofuku, but now it is.
Choki and Tora.
Yeah.
It's our favorite. It's our favorite restaurant, and
We
you
are
are
introducing Mally to it.
privileged
Third wheeling.
forever on our date nights. Now our date nights are not just us. Good morning, I'm ready for office. It was a long morning because I was trying to film a mini vlog. Yesterday I decided I'm going to start posting mini vlogs on my Instagram also, and damn, the Instagram aesthetic just takes so long to get dressed and to get ready and then to take a shot of everything. मैंने नहाने घुसी and then I was like, oh shit, I had to record a day in my life. So I came out of the shower again and then switched on, put the shower gel and took like those aesthetic shots for my mini vlog. It's not sponsored, just to make content. उस चक्कर में मेरे को लेट भी हो गया because एक बार मैंने white shirt पहनी थी इतनी खूबसूरत वाली and उस पे lilies का pollen लग गया and then I had to change to whatever I could find in front. So trying to be aesthetic but actually really messy. And then now coffee गाड़ी में पी जा रही है because late हो गया है. ये हफ्ता क्लासिकली मैं हर रोज लेट गई हूँ ऑफिस and that's not a good sign on me. We will do better next week. Tonight I have an interview at 5 to 6. A person's coming to office to interview and then I have to go to my friend's place for game night. So I'm excited. It's Friday night. But यार लेट हो जाएगा मुझे उधर जाने क्योंकि मेरा इंटरव्यू है. हम सोच रहे थे 7 बजे जाने का but I've told them we'll come by 8:30 because I won't be able to make it so early. Like go home, get dressed. I don't know if I'll get time to hit the gym today. I don't think so.
मैं एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा रेस्ट करके जाऊंगी, तैयार होके, ऐसे नहीं जाऊंगी.
Havish tried talking to you, so he didn't understand your approach also of working, because like what quality of are you using, how will you mask it, because eventually he's the ops guy, so he has to source the ingredients that you will use and that we will need to put with the contract manufacturers.
Till the last part, don't worry. Like Bhavesh, we'll take Bhavesh back to Procure. You need not to worry about that. We'll connect him the right price. And I tell you, but I tell you with confidence, I will have better price than Bhavesh. Because for you, Bhavesh is only one customer. When I buy for a couple of more vendors, one in Sri Lanka, one somewhere else in the world.
My day has definitely not gone to plan. I had to be at a friend's place at 8:30. It is 8:20 and I'm still in my car going home from office. Have to change and have to leave to go. She doesn't stay so far away, but I'm also hungry. We were meeting for dinner. बहुत लंबी चली meetings. Somehow my team just had plans to keep me in office for very long, and we had meetings after meetings after meetings after meetings, and so exhausting. Like I thought I'd leave early today, but नहीं हो पाया. कोई बात नहीं, अब क्या कर सकते हैं. Friday, tomorrow also I'm going to work though. Taking my makeup from day to night real quick. मतलब मेकअप तो किया ही नहीं था और कर भी नहीं रही. काजल, मस्कारा, लिप, नाइट परफ्यूम. Oops, ये वाले में वो नहीं है. And use this one dark amber from Atmos Living. Real quick. कल के व्लॉग में सबने कमेंट किया कि मुझे सब देखना है. व्लॉग एवरीथिंग सारा पोस्ट 2 times एटलीस्ट. तो अब मैं सुबह उठ के ब्रश नहीं किया है, मैं व्लॉग कर रही हूँ. अब देखो जो देखना है आप लोग को. पिंपल पैच निकालते हैं. सो सैटिस्फाइंग. ओके चलो तैयार होते हैं फॉर माय डायलन. जानू स्प्लेंडर भी ले लो, फिर मैली को मन करेगा स्प्लेंडर खेलने का. Having my morning coffee with slim milk. अभी मैंने अपना दूध चेंज किया है. Not because it was doing anything to me, just because my nutritionist said try skim milk instead of full. Actually ये full fat milk ना बहुत जल्दी खराब भी हो जाते हैं. और मुझे ये oat milk, almond milk नहीं पसंद है. एकदम बकवास लगता है मुझे. दूध के नाम पे धोखा. I used to love almond milk once upon a time. जब मुझे लोग बोलते कि PCOS is because of milk, तो मैंने almond milk की आदत लगा ली थी. एक ब्रांड का मेरे को बहुत पसंद था, 137 degrees. बट फिर वो मिलता नहीं था हर जगह. और फिर मुझे रियलाइज हो गया दूध और PCOS का कुछ रिश्ता नहीं है. इट्स मोस्टली शुगर एंड एटलीस्ट मैं तो लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट नहीं हूँ, तो फिर मुझे कोई इशू नहीं है. पूरे ही बाल गीले कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे कर्ल्स बिल्कुल सेट नहीं हुए. दिस वेरी एक्सपेंसिव कर्लिंग क्रीम दैट आई बॉट, जो आई थिंक रीत बाथरूम लेके चला गया क्योंकि रीत यूज करता है. जो भी चीज मुझे सूट नहीं होती मैं रीत को चिपका देती हूँ. बट इट्स फ्रॉम दैट ब्रांड OUAI वे, विच इज जेन एटकिन हेयर्स ब्रांड. एंड so this is so big. वो टीरा का सेल्समैन, उसने मुझे कन्विंस किया है खरीदने का 2000 रुपए का कर्लिंग क्रीम. जस्ट मैं जब कर्ली गर्ल एरा में आ रही थी. दिस इज नॉट गुड एट ऑल. लाइक इतना क्रीमी है और इतना हैवी है कर्ल्स को. इतना मतलब इट डजंट मेक योर कर्ल्स स्टे. ऑनेस्टली दिस 600 रुपी कर्लिंग क्रीम इज इट फॉर मी. लाइक मेरे बालों के लिए दिस इज परफेक्ट. नॉट एवरी कर्ली गर्ल इज द सेम कर्ली गर्ल इज ऑल्सो व्हाट आई अंडरस्टूड. क्योंकि सबरीना के लिए ये बहुत हैवी है. मेरी एक फ्रेंड है इफ्रा, वो भी मुझे बोलती है उसके लिए बहुत हैवी है. उसके एकदम कर्ली वाले, वो भी एकदम अच्छे से कर्ली कर्ल्स, एकदम जिनके राउंड राउंड कर्ल होते हैं ना, एकदम मैगी नूडल जैसे, वो वाले कर्ल्स के लिए दिस क्रीम इज टू हैवी. बट माय हेयर इज एक्चुअली वेवी कर्ली. लाइक अगर गीले होंगे तो ऐसे दिखते हैं और फिर वो हो जाने के बाद वो ऐसे 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 दिखते हैं, थोड़े ओपन. तो उसके लिए आई लाइक दिस कर्लिंग क्रीम. इवन रीत लाइक्स दिस कर्लिंग क्रीम अ लॉट. सो कर्ल अप. एंड अगर हमको लॉन्ग वेयर करना होगा तो वी यूज दिस वॉल्यूम जेल फ्रॉम मेंटेन, मीडियम होल्ड वाला. तो जब मैं स्लिक अप करती हूँ ना, तो मैं ये इधर लगा के स्लिक अप कर देती हूँ. बहुत अच्छा है, क्रंची नहीं हो जाते बाल. उसके बाद खोलो भी तो यू कैन यूज योर हेयर अगेन वेट करके. फज इज नॉट ईटिंग हिज फूड. उसको संडेज को वी हैव टू फीड बिफोर.
3 पीस खाता है, उसको छोड़ दे.
फजी ईट बाबू. ही हैज टू ईट बिफोर हिज ग्रूमर कम्स, क्योंकि एक बार वो नहा लेता है तो गुस्सा हो जाता है और फिर खाना नहीं खाता. Okay, by the time this hair dries, I don't use diffuser. Man, I'm so lazy about self-grooming these days. I've changed a lot. I don't use a diffuser. This will diffuse in Mumbai की हवा. वैसे भी मडालिन जाना है तो तब तक हो जाएगा. Today is John uncle's birthday. He was born on the day of Bombay floods because it's 26 July. He was not born on that day. He was born some years ago. But I remember that year so clearly. 26 July मुंबई में जब बाढ़ आई थी, खतरनाक वाली बाढ़, मैं स्कूल में अटकी थी. I was in 2nd standard and I was in school. And
मुझे रात भर स्कूल में रुकना पड़ा क्योंकि मेरे मॉम डैड सब अलग अलग जगह अटक गए थे. माय मॉम वाज इन हर ट्यूशन वाली के घर पे, पापा फैक्ट्री में अटक गए थे, सबरीना ही घर पहुंच गई थी क्योंकि सेकेंडरी स्कूल में थी तो वो जल्दी जाती थी घर पे. मैं प्राइमरी में थी तो मैं बाढ़ में अटक गई. देन हमको ऑडिटोरियम में सुलाया था. मैं इतना रो रही थी, मतलब सब बच्चे रो रहे थे, सिर्फ मैं नहीं रो रही थी. बट आई हैड लाइक फ्रेंड्स हु वर अ लिटिल ओल्डर हु वर लाइक इट्स ओके, वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ यू एंड ऑल, एंड देन वी वर फाइन. And then morning, my bua had come to take me because she used to stay closer to my school, but she has a lot of health issues, so she could not carry me. And I was always a tall kid, so I could walk through that pani. And मेरे लिए the pani was इधर तक for me. And I was walking and walking and walking through that. And उसके बाद मेरा hip ऐसा हो गया था तो मुझे फिर फिजियोथेरेपी करा के मुझे हिप ठीक कराना पड़ा था क्योंकि पूरा 4 बंगला में मेरी स्कूल थी. 4 बंगला से लेके लोखंड वाला मार्केट तक आई वॉक्ड द एंटायर थिंग एंड अ लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन डिड दिस इन स्कूल. टेल मी योर लाइक फ्लड स्टोरीज इफ यू हैव एनी, इफ यू आर इन बॉम्बे फ्लड्स. राइट नाउ Assam is flooding, which is a horrible situation, and I'm going to leave UPI links in the description box of legit sources because Reet is from Assam. He knows a lot of NGOs which are actively helping in relief camps. So please अगर आप donate कर सकते हो 5 रुपया, 10 रुपया, 100 रुपया, 1500 रुपया, 2000, anything counts because that only बूंद बूंद से सागर बनता है. तो we've been donating on that link. I will put a UPI ID नीचे अगर आपको donate करना है पैसा, क्योंकि और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बहुत बुरे हालात है असम के. तो please do that. और कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. If you are from Assam, you can probably get together resources and give the relief camps like sanitary pads हो गया, bed sheets, कुछ भी खरीद के दे सकते हो. और कुछ भी टिकेगा भी नहीं because इतना पानी है और वो overflow रहा है, like गंदा रिवर का, नाले का, सब चीज का पानी is overflowing. So the videos are heartbreaking to look at, and honestly the news has just been back to back bad news. No? But I remember the year John uncle's birthday, that year also he always comes to Bombay for his birthday, and my mom was like बिल्कुल मत आना, बाढ़ आई है इधर तो, because it was his birthday. But now he can come of course. अभी तो बॉम्बे में बारिश ही नहीं हो रही है, global warming. And you know in that floods also my father, being the मुंबईकर he is, बाढ़ में जब वो सुबह फैक्ट्री से घर आ रहे थे पानी में चलते 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 उनका नाले में पैर भी चला गया था. उनको इतनी जोर की लगी भी थी, और वो वड़ा पाव लेके घर पे, he is that मुंबईकर, he went to that वड़ा पाव and then come to the house. And that time there was no mobile data, WhatsApp, like at least अभी असम में flood है, we are all sharing, reposting. That time it was a no network thing, so you couldn't talk to anyone except your neighbors. सबरीना पूरी रात neighbors की विंडो से बाहर देखती थी कि हम में से कोई वापस आ जाए, क्योंकि हमारी विंडो गार्डन में फेस करती थी, neighbors की विंडो रास्ते पे फेस करती थी. तो वो पूरी रात neighbors के घर पे थी, बाहर रास्ते पे देखने कि हम वापस घर सेफली आ जाए. So those were like crazy times because there was no internet, there was no network only. तारे ही कट गई थी. Dude, I don't know मुझे कैसे वो मेमोरी याद आया बेटा. Whenever it's John uncle's birthday, मुझे 26 जुलाई याद आता है. बॉम्बे का 26 जुलाई. 2 events in Bombay were like very दिल दहलाने वाला. एक ये और एक 26/11. 26 word for Bombay is not lucky for us. 26/11 में भी मैं स्कूल में थी, तो अभी हम सेकेंडरी सेक्शन में थे. That was also such a bad time. Skincare, first I'm putting this Lancome Genifique Ultimate, then I'm putting Axis Y Niacinamide है इसमें. तो ये जो पिंपल हो रहा है इसमें से जो दाग छूटेगा वो थोड़ा कम इफेक्ट करेगा. दाग तो छोड़ते हैं कितना भी आप कर लो, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट अभी इसका दाग थोड़ा जल्दी चला जाएगा, एकदम से नहीं बट जल्दी. मेरी स्किन काफी अच्छी हो गई है माशाल्लाह से. तो ये लगा के छोड़ दो. आई विल बी अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा बिकॉज आज संडे है, तो हम ये यूज करेंगे.
Booster mode. Level 2.
You know Sharon, she also bought everything from Korea. She didn't buy this device, but she bought so much skincare, everything. And अभी बेचारी जब से कोरिया से आई है उसका सब treatment and health care सब कुछ शुरू हो गया. She never got a chance to use anything. And I think now when she's post-op and she's recovering, she's using everything. She never got a chance to like really enjoy her Korean skincare. I miss having Sharon in office. She keeps me calm. Especially at Sara Sarosh. I feel one of the reasons के vlogs वगैरह भी regularly नहीं आ रहे क्योंकि coordination and team Sara Sarosh is led by Sharon. So मैं अकेली कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं कर पाती हूँ कि फुटेज है क्या एडिटर के पास, उसने की क्या, चेंजेस हो गए क्या, अपलोड करेंगे क्या, लाइक वो सब करने के लिए भी यू नीड टू हैव लाइक. आज संडे ना, मैं आज मस्त आप लोग से बात करी, आज टीम वाले काम नहीं कर रहे. तो अभी कल मंडे आई विल गिव ऑल दिस फुटेज टू माई एडिटर. देन ट्यूसडे का भी फुटेज आई विल गिव, देन शी हैज टू पुट इट टुगेदर, एडिट, एंड शी आल्सो एडिट्स इम्पल्स के वीडियोस. सारा सरोज करनी होती है तो शी डज इम्पल्स का वर्क.
हम सब अभी एकदम SS to IC हो गए. That is how our team has shifted. We are all in our team we have these jokes कि एक time पे हम कितना सारा सरोश पे obsess करते थे. सारा सरोश not the person, the brand. And now we are all obsessing about Impulse. I got a lot of comments on the yesterday's vlog where all were like आपको लग रहा है कि vlog boring है but हमको आपकी life देखने मजा आता है. तो आप जो भी कर रहे हो, काम भी कर रहे हो तो वो भी दिखाओ. हम Impulse का भी देख लेंगे. Just keep posting regularly. मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि कुछ fun होना चाहिए, like family time या funny time या कुछ मैली है तो बातचीत है, कुछ हो रहा है तो ही व्लॉग डालो ना, वरना सिर्फ काम का दिखा के आप लोग को मैं क्या करूँ. दैट इज व्हाई आई स्टॉप्ड रिड्यूस द कंटेंट rather than giving you boring content. But now I'm realizing that people want to see everything. You all have grown up with me. You want to see this new phase of life. And honestly, अगर आपको नहीं देखना ना वो part, just double tap and आगे बढ़ जाओ. That's also easy ना. So I think I will listen to my audience and I don't ever think कि मैं YouTube को last prioritize करूँ guys. That is never a thing. YouTube से ना पैसा बिल्कुल नहीं आता. I'm not doing this for money. I'm only doing this because मुझे ये पहन रहे हो आप.
हाँ.
ये टॉप नहीं पहनो जान, नहीं एकदम जिम टाइप से.
अरे ठीक है ना, अभी क्या है,
नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है.
मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है.
I was saying कि YouTube is my first priority. Like मैं YouTube पैसों के लिए नहीं करती हूँ क्योंकि पैसे तो है ही नहीं. Instagram पे ही पैसे है currently. But मजा आता है मुझे आप लोग से बात करके, ये कनेक्शन. मैं तो इतनी एक्साइट होती हूँ व्लॉग डालने के बाद. मैं कमेंट्स देखती हूँ, कमेंट्स पढ़ती हूँ, सब कमेंट्स पे आज भी रिप्लाई करती हूँ खुद से. It's not my team who replies on YouTube comments. So I really do enjoy YouTube and I will never put you all as the last priority or preference. That will never be me. कि जो चीज करने मुझे मजा आती है वो करना मैं क्यों छोड़ूंगी. You're sure you're wearing this?
I am.
It's not a good top.
Okay. It is a good top. It is a very good top. What are you saying? It doesn't look very Jimmy. What are you? Gym होता तो पूरा tight होता. This is not a tight top.
I'll wear Google.
You'll wear Google.
Google.
Some mad Google.
Yes.
तुम्हारे लिए प्रोटीन बार एक ले लूं to eat on the way. You'll feel because if you have breakfast अभी तो तुम लंच नहीं कर पाओगे उधर.
नया वाला प्रोटीन.
हाँ वही.
Show them which brand I bought on Amazon. One of my friends recommended it. It's tasty. किधर दिखा रहे हो? Cali bar. It's expensive. 600 रुपए का है. कितने का एक है?
20 ग्राम प्रोटीन के लिए मैं 600 रुपए दूं. 140 का है.
अरे एक 140 का है, पूरा डब्बा 600 का है. But this you can eat एक बारी में पूरा नहीं, तोड़ के खा सकते हो because it's pretty filling. Very good. 20 gram protein is crazy. All these other protein bars in India are not.
3 अंडे खा लो हो गया.
हाँ अंडे खा सकते हो एंड चिकन खा सकते हो. Then तो you don't need all this. But this is for my vegan gang. That is a vegan bar and it's also for my on the go life. रीत ट्रैक्स पे जाता है ना तो उसको लगता है बार. मुझे वो वाले बार्स नहीं पसंद जिसमें सिर्फ इन लोग ये जैसे होल ट्रूथ वाले बार्स जो है ना जिसमें सिर्फ डेट्स एंड नट्स वो ही रहते हैं. इसमें there's granola and then there's आया प्रदीप. फच का नहाने का टाइम हो गया है गाइस. I'm having a headache. मैंने नाश्ता नहीं किया ना. Protein bar is not enough clearly. Nani has a new dog that I have not met. Hello. What are you barking so much? हाँ okay. Everyone knows we've come. Hello. Ishiko Nana. You locked us out? You wear a bow tie? Hi Susie. Susie 2.0. Susie 2.0. Hi mama. Oh my god, so cute. Hello.
He's very cute.
Very cute. Sushi 2.0. Nana puts. Hello, you're wearing bow tie and all.
Welcome to my crib, MTV crib. Lock me. Ishan is locking me. He's now obsessed with me.
Did you still trouble him?
No, we are coloring. But I'm
Do you
telling
like like Mala Mama now? Nah. Nah.
liars will lie.
Hello. Oh my god. Full hair is grey. 1 साल बड़ा हुआ कि 10 साल बड़ा हुआ? Happy birthday.
Then he wore a belt. Then he wore all this. He was so well dressed. See how smartly he's dressed.
Very nice you're looking. Very nice.
कैंडल किधर है कैंडल?
Very cute. Very
कितना कैंडल डालेगा? That is too much.
हाँ बॉक्स में था.
Kendall Jenner.
Now this AC is cooling. New AC?
No, we fixed
New
it.
AC?
We fixed it now.
Very good.
John आया.
जॉन आया तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. तुम्हारा माँ कब से रुका है तुम्हारे आने का? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear John uncle. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Nana's real age is
62.
8 and 6, 86.
Mummy, you're 86.
10 साल बढ़ा दी आपका नानी, देखो ऐसा.
Okay, Ishan's age
1.
5.
3.
Not 3.
Mental age
Mental age is 7.
4 and 6.
46.
जल्दी 5.
हो गया?
हो गया?
हो गया?
नहीं,
फाइव.
और
देखो
ज़्यादा है।
बता रहा हूँ, देखो सुनो बता रहा हूँ.
संडे
ये
रीत का किस्मत अच्छा है.
3,
हाँ
64,
हाँ
53,
हाँ
46,
हाँ.
26.
मेरा एक बाकी था रीत.
पहली बार जल्दी 5 आया मेरे
बोर्ड
को.
का पैसा मिल गया.
आ गया बोर्ड का पैसा आ गया मेरे पास.
चलो रिक्शा में हम लोग सब साथ में चलेंगे.
950.
मेरे को एक भी नहीं
नंबर है. Even mine is not even 63 is there.
On the 3 lines.
4 corners.
On the 3 lines are left and 2 full houses are left.
You don't hold my ticket. Your bad luck is rubbing off.
This car 4 corners are will be this, na? Valid.
Yes, हो गया.
Okay, next. My actual age.
27.
Gaya? Yes, 27. Repeat your numbers.
18,
हाँ
27,
हाँ
55,
हाँ
72,
हाँ.
90.
Perfect. Okay, top line na.
Bottom line.
Bottom is gone to Sabrina. 4 corners to Papa. Jaldi 5 to this. The Costas need to catch up.
गया top line.
नहीं आपको मिला ना वही.
तुमको मिला top line?
हाँ, मिला भाई मिला.
Oh, Sarosh is catching up. Mally hit me, guys. We are cancelling Mally. He hit me and then he bit me on the.
Guys, you know that Sarah deserves
One
all the
slap I'll
beats.
give you.
Sarah deserves all the beats. Whoever's.
तो जोर का मारा और फिर काटा उसने उस पे.
Because it's guys, see, this is abuse. Sarah is an abusive.
Alrighty guys, I'm going to end this vlog right here. I'll try for 2 times a week. I'm not promising anything because my life as a founder is hectic, but I will try because I love you guys and I want to first serve my YouTube community. Never keep y'all on the back burner. अगर आपको founder life content पसंद आ रहा है, if you want to see more of my meetings, more of my discussions, let me know in the comments. Honestly, I want to curate videos for y'all to see as time pass, as entertainment, as just fun or something you can learn from or aspire to have one day for yourself. आपको ये vlog अच्छा लगा तो don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So that encourages me to post more content for y'all. For today's video, Saraswati goes to thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. This is not something I'm doing. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon, right? Leave for you guys. Down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. And if you chance part of my next video, Sarah Squad. Shout out. I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys. Love you. एक ही बार जब आप छोटे